Welcome to Chains Notify, a professional blockchain notification infrastructure. Right from the homepage, you can quickly explore our core features: real-time wallet tracking, multi-channel integrations, and multi-chain support, from Ethereum to Layer 2 networks. This high-level overview shows why thousands of investors and developers trust Chains Notify to stay on top of blockchain activity. To get started, Chains Notify provides a comprehensive documentation system. Here you'll find step-by-step integration guides for Telegram, Discord, Slack, and even exporting data directly to Google Sheets. Each guide includes visual examples and clear instructions, making it easy for even first-time users to set up their own alert system in just a few minutes. Begin your journey by creating a new account. The registration process is simple. Just enter your email address and password. A verification code will be sent to ensure account security. Once verified, you gain immediate access to your personal dashboard, where the full power of blockchain monitoring is right at your fingertips. In the Profile section, you have full control over your account. You can update your password regularly and personalize your profile with an avatar. Most importantly, Chains Notify supports passkeys, a modern passwordless authentication method. This significantly improves security and protects your account from credential-based attacks. Here's the passkey login experience: fast, secure, seamless. With just a fingerprint or Face ID, you're instantly logged into the dashboard. No passwords required. This is a core feature: wallet address monitoring. Click Add Address, paste the public wallet address you want to track, assign a recognizable name, and select the corresponding network. Chains Notify performs deep transaction scanning, from transfers and swaps to smart contract interactions. Once saved, every wallet movement is captured in real time. After adding a wallet, the next step is choosing where notifications are delivered. On the channel page, you'll see supported platforms such as Telegram, Discord, and webhooks. Each channel includes built-in, step-by-step guidance. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to connect blockchain data directly to your messaging tools. Now let's take a closer look at integrating Slack, one of the most powerful notification channels for teams. First, navigate to the Slack API and create a new application. Enable incoming webhooks and generate a dedicated webhook URL for your target Slack channel. Next, return to the Chains Notify dashboard and paste the webhook URL into the configuration field. You can fine-tune which event types trigger notifications to reduce unnecessary noise. Make sure the app permissions are correctly configured in Slack, then click Connect. Once completed, your team receives professional real-time alerts in Slack whenever a blockchain transaction occurs. While the setup may seem detailed, this approach provides the most stable and scalable way to manage blockchain data flows for organizations. For developers, webhooks are an essential tool. You can register your own endpoint URL to receive structured JSON data from Chains Notify. A secret key can be configured to verify message authenticity and ensure secure delivery. This allows you to build automated backend workflows, such as updating balances instantly when a transaction is confirmed on-chain. Let's observe a real-world scenario. Here we generate an integrated QR payment code. Using MetaMask on a mobile device, the QR code is scanned and an asset transfer is initiated. Within seconds of submission, notifications appear simultaneously on Slack, Telegram, and Discord. It's important to note, notifications are triggered for every transaction across all tokens of any registered wallet. The transaction does not need to be initiated through a QR code. The QR payment shown here is simply a demo example to visualize real-time notifications in action. In the Transactions menu, you can manage all activities related to your registered wallets. This includes QR payments, swaps, and all on-chain transactions flowing into the wallet. Each transaction detail provides detailed visibility, including notification logs across all channels and even webhook delivery results. Finally, the dashboard provides a complete overview of system usage. You can track notification volume and monitor plan limits in the usage section. All metrics are visualized clearly, helping you optimize your notification strategy. Thank you for watching, and start experiencing Chains Notify today.